Peace, everybody. So today I wanted to do a little crystal haul on this stone right here. I don't know if you've ever seen it, but I'm going to give you a closer look at what we are working with today. So many of you might have guessed it, but this stone is called blue kyanite. It's spelled Kyanite, kyanite. It comes in different colors. The other two that I know of are black and green. There might be even more, but it's a nice stone, and it's sometimes a little fragile. It looks kind of flaky. It has like this little layered look to it, if you can see as I zoom in. And it glimmers a little bit in the sunlight. But yeah, I'm going to read a little bit from this cool crystal book that I have on what they have to say about kyanite. Then I'm going to let you guys know what I have to say about kyanite. So this is one of my favorite crystal books that I like to get my information from. Sometimes I use online sources as well, but this one is the Book of Stones, and it's by Robert Simmons and Naisha Isian. I don't know how to say that last name. But anyways, when we go to the kyanite section, as you can see, there's the black one here, there's green, there's blue, and there even looks like there's an orange one. Yes, so those are the ones they're covering. And so we'll just go over the key words that they have associated with kyanite, which is inner bridges, psychic ability, connection with nature, past life recall, telepathy, empathy. The element is storm, meaning it has like a mixed, with the rain, cloudy, intense kind of mixture kind of deal. And the chakras are all of them, especially the third eye and the heart. When I'm looking at crystals, I like to observe them and intuitively kind of gather the energy that I feel from them, as well as what I see from them visually. And so when we're looking at blue stones, we are typically dealing with the throat chakra, communication, as well as healing, perhaps purging, and calmness. This is definitely a stone people would find great use in utilizing when you're looking for peace of mind, calmness, and cleansing on a spiritual level. It could even probably help physically as well, because kyanite carries a nice energy that helps to align all chakras and clear things out, and really just creates balance for you. And when I think of the blue stones, it makes me think of the Venus energy, which is all about balance, and it's also feminine type of energy. And so other things that I gather from kyanite is that it kind of helps you deal with the layers of yourself and uncovering things and just healing different layers of yourself. As you can see, like I said, it is one of those stones that it naturally has layers to it. It is fragile, so it is something that can help you when you're also in that state of fragility, or just looking for things that are peaceful, bringing peace of mind. Other things that I gather from kyanite, I think I covered a lot of them. I'm trying to think. Kyanite. So some of the other things that they kind of touch on in the book would be, they did mention communication, but they mentioned it on like a more lucid level, like dealing with the dream world or telepathically. So yeah, like the communication for this stone is not limited to you just communicating to people in the physical realm, but also to those who are in the non-physical realm, or just energies that exist within you and with that connect us to nature and connect us to each other, which is what they basically are kind of alluding to when they're talking about telepathic communication. So yeah, this would be a great stone to use when you're looking for healing, communication, more balance in your life. Getting connected to nature, specifically the water energies in nature. We have many different water type energies in nature. We have like the ocean, we have lakes, we have rivers, we have ponds, we have whales, I don't know, so these are waters that some of them flow at all times, some of them are more stagnant, some of them are going in and out, you know, so there's the fixed waters and then there's the waters that circulate. So it's up to you how you like to use stones and what they mean to you and your experience and how you interact with them and the energy you receive from them and the energy that they give to you. But they definitely serve as a reminder for things that are within us, because these stones are made out of elements that our bodies are also made out of, which connects us very deeply to crystals in general. So that was my take on kyanite, blue kyanite, and I'd like to hear your experience with blue kyanite, because that'll also help people so they can read comments and just we can all collectively talk about this stone and what it's done for us in our life. Thank you. And one last thing, I would like to let you guys know, for those who don't know, I am a jewelry designer. My name is Angel. My business is Earth Angel Hills, and I do wrap these stones. So I will be wrapping these kyanite crystals for those who are interested in having a necklace made for themselves that has the kyanite in it. So be on the lookout for that. I will be posting them to my website, which is earthangel.com, evrthangel.com. I'll be posting them there, but as I create them, I will post them on all social media sites so that you will know that they've been uploaded to my website. Or just keep a lookout on my website or go over and browse it. I have tons of crystals and stones that you might be interested in purchasing. Thank you.